Good morning, everybody. Good morning now, Mikhail's Trader G. Welcome, guys. Good to see everyone. I mean, hopefully more and more. But your guys are the first one. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being here. Let's see what happened yesterday. Look at this. Making history every day on Nasdaq, right? Everyday history on Nasdaq. So, interesting day, definitely, for sure. Let me check the daily chart. Look at this new historical all-time high. I'm not sure, but if I would have to bet, there is a divergence on maybe the stochastic. Let's check the stochastic. Check it out. No, there is none. A little bit anyway. So the daily actually made a new high, but let's go lower. On the 4 hour, actually, by the end of the PM session, we went lower, that's for sure. Bess, good morning. Good to see you. So let me delete these. Some trades that I did not take yesterday. So let's see what else do we have. These are just some support and resistance zones. Marco, good morning. Good to see you there. So what I'm gonna do, and I know I'm not used to do this, but I might going to draw up some support and resistance zones. Don't worry, I'm still using smart money, ICT, and all the good stuff, you know, what I was using before. But it was interesting, so I'm just gonna leave it for now, and let's take a review of what's happened yesterday, because I think this is interesting, especially if we're talking about support and resistance. Okay, there's not much to do anyways. Do we have some news this morning? Nothing, absolutely nothing. We have an FOMC member later on the New York session, but so far nothing. On the 15-minute, everything has been repriced, no fair value gap. The first target would be at 713 up there, which is a good target. Asia low is, where is it? Is here? No. Well, almost. We have Asia low down there at 644. 644. All right. So what makes this interesting is that, well, on the 5-minute, I like this level at 688. By the way, I'm gonna put a buy side liquidity marker here. By the way, I hope you guys made some profits yesterday. I really hope you did. And you might have seen it already, but the static account is back. So on my funded futures. So that's something new. Dark Cloud, hey there. A little bit. That means a little bit of profit. All right. Let's see. All right. Had to stop due to 50% rule on take profit trader. Oh yeah. So you gotta be aware of that. That for sure. Understandable. The 50% rule, and yeah, have to be careful as well, because if you break that rule, then the whole account is blown in the evaluation phase. So that is something to watch out for. I'm looking for this spike higher. I think we have a chance that this one can go higher. What do you guys think? Do I have this? Yeah, I have this one. No. Which one is this? This account. I'm looking for... This is an evaluation account, but I'm willing to take a trade on this. Not gonna risk too much. Buy side, I'm gonna be taking profit around 87. This is my probe trade as usual. I'm gonna take profit at 87, just a one-to-one trade. Nothing special. Just to entertain you guys. Let me show you. This will be on MNQ. There you go. So this is the trade that we're on right now. The entry is not perfect. Just a one-to-one trade. Looking for buy side liquidity actually. And this is the morning probe trade that I used to do. I need to dip so I can buy. Okay, I need to dip, sorry. I need a runner for 9:30. For 9:30? Alright. Got another funded account yesterday. Wow, my first one with BULENOX. Congratulations. Applause to Trader G. Congratulations. I thought we keep 85 to 50% consistency. Account not blown, but just have to make more than the 3K if it's let me check the percentage. Let me see, because the numbers are always mixing up. Yeah, 50%, sorry. 50% of your total profits. That one trading day should not exceed 50% of total profits. I thought that it's blown, sorry. I have to make more than the 3K if it's 50K account. Yeah, so your biggest day cannot be more than 50% of the profits of the rest of the days. That's what it means actually. Camille, hey there. Trade just for the stream. Just for the stream, I trade. But this is an evaluation account only. But let me, it's not showing it. I mean, I always have to edit manually. So this is the account I'm trading right now. Apex evaluation account, nothing fancy. I bought a 50K evals, Marco. I bought 50K evals, a few of them, yes. I have no issue with the 250K, it's great, but I went on with the 50Ks. Made to turn into an ATM, all right. ERP Media, hey there. How many maximum accounts can you activate for TOPSTEP? You can activate maximum 3 funded accounts, and if you're a good trader with a good track record, they're going to call you up to a live account, so not on a simulated account, which brings you to 4 overall. So 3 simulated funded accounts plus 1 as a real live account but overall 3 accounts, so 3 funded accounts. I know that TOPSTEP is working on, I mean, it's not, they did not promise, but they said they're working on having 10 funded accounts, but I guess it's going to be only on TOPSTEP X. Of course, on TOPSTEP X, because they're promoting their own platform, which is understandable. But that's what I heard. It's an unconfirmed rumor circulating, but they said it's looking like that. Like TOPSTEP X, you can have 10 in the future. I don't know. It's not confirmed yet. But you can have, for example, 10 on BULENOX, 20 on Apex. My funded futures is sticking to 3 for now, which is not a bad deal. BULENOX 10. Yeah. So BULENOX, you can have 10 master accounts at once. 10 master accounts. And actually, BULENOX still has the deal going on until Monday. The $18 for end of day trailing account, and the same goes for the option 1 account. You can also use the Tom Sabo 1 code for the option 1 account, which has the option 2 account has daily stop out level at $1,100, almost like the same at TOPSTEP. So daily stop out level goes on for the option 2 account, but the drawdown threshold is bigger. So TOPSTEP gives you, for example, $2,000 on the 50K account, and BULENOX gives you $2,500 max drawdown, which is a little bit bigger cushion to have if you have a losing streak maybe, but it's just an option. Look at this, it's going against me. Okay, what I want to do, and I told you guys that this is something which is interesting from yesterday. I might gonna be losing this account. So let me put this here. So I wanted to show you guys. Good morning, Anna. Hey there. I found this interesting. By the way, please push the like button and subscribe. Let's push the stream. I would like to conquer the whole London session, you know. Have more viewers than ever. So while we are waiting for NQ to do something, it's going down now. Briefly, let me review what happened yesterday. And I'm not trading support and resistance, but this is a very good example of what really happened yesterday. So look at this resistance zone. Yesterday London session beautifully rejected the price, went down, and support was down here, this zone. So I extended this zone to the right, break through, and if we look to the left, actually we had another support zone. We have already drawn this zone before the New York session. Look at price went up, supported, broke through, but then rejected higher. So this is definitely a support zone. And look at what happened. It broke through. This zone has supported this, broke higher, and it's just amazing for me, like how also price is respecting these levels. If you know where to draw these support and resistance areas, you can pretty much get a glimpse of where the market can go, right? So that's what I believe anyway. And I was just amazed how these zones were working. Okay, but let me delete these zones for now, and just for fun, you know, let's try to draw up some zones for this morning. Okay, I know there are many indicators helping drawing some zones while we're waiting for the NQ to do something, but let's just go over it. So we see price here after the New York session, most likely in Asia, going up here, rejecting at 647, going higher, rejecting again, and look at that, went down to 47 area again, got rejected. So this level got rejected quite a few times. I would say that this is an interesting zone. This is something I definitely like. Hold on. This zone is definitely interesting. Good morning, David. Hey there. And so let's see another zone up there somewhere if we see something. Let's look to the left. Price got through here, went down there again, got rejected higher, went down again, broke through this level held, then got back up there. I would say that this area right here is definitely a zone. It's definitely an interesting zone for price that it was hovering around, and it has some resistance. So I'm just going to leave it here, and it will be exciting to see how it reacts to these levels. Okay, that's just for, you know, just for excitement reasons, nothing else. But I do like these tops, especially if you go to the 15-minute. You will see a fair value gap up there at 18,713. So I'm going to put this as a possible buy side liquidity level, just like the 5-minute level right here. So I'm not saying it's going to go there, but it's definitely an interesting level. If we go to the 1-minute, it shifted structure down here. So we could be seeing a dip down to Asia lows, which I would not be surprised at. And if that happens, I might even change my perspective and maybe take a short. Who knows? Well, let's see. Good morning, Mary. How you doing? Tom, breakout and breakdown zones, the secret sauce. Breakout and breakdown zones. I'm gonna note that, and I suggest. Good morning, Peter. Good to see you. And I suggest those have some extra. How should I say, action when price gets there. But for now, I think 668, 78, 88, I don't know. Is the 85 lifetime for the yes, but you have to pass until Monday midnight, I think, Eastern Standard Time. I mean by the end of Monday Eastern Standard Time. So you still have time during the Monday trading session, but that's it. What you have just drawn is exactly how I have traded successfully for some time. And I really, that's actually good, and thanks for the input there, because I was trading with these zones back in 2022 with very less success. I wasn't really successful with it, but since I've learned so much about the concepts, smart money, fair value gaps, I mean liquidity areas, these kind of zones starting to make more sense to me, especially if I anticipate the draw on liquidity. I think Apex has ended the 85 to last. Really? I didn't know that. If the $85 fee is going for until the end of May, then holy Jesus, baby Christ. Oh my God. Okay. Then I made a huge mistake, because I thought that it's only until Monday. I'm gonna have to buy 250k accounts. Oh my God. Okay. You don't need to rush. All right then. I'm gonna go with 250s. I'm gonna go with 250s. For that price, why not? I already passed the 50k account anyways. Okay. I'm gonna go with the 250s then. That's good to know. That's good to know. Thank you for the info. I mean, I just woke up not too recently. Good morning, Alicia. Good to see you. Okay then, so let it be known. It has been extended until the end of May. Why did I not receive the info about this? I should have received it. Anyway, it's cool. It's awesome. It is awesome. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum, bum. Samuel, hey there. What position size do you normally trade? I usually on the funded account, on the funded accounts, I usually trade with around $60, $70, $80, which means I usually go with 2 or 3 micros. 2 or 3 micros on average. Sometimes only 1. So nothing more really than 5 on the funded accounts. On average, 2-3 micros. That's how I trade on the funded account. The activation fee is huge if you do not manage to make it until that time, or if you can't make it, I would suggest go with the monthly fee. You can still choose the monthly $85, and if you're doing it smart, you should be able to pull out some money in 1 or 2 months from that 250k funded account, right? If you buy 250k, don't trade 1 micro and be no. I'm trading these accounts. My funded accounts are 50k accounts, and I have 25k accounts. That's why if I would have, I would be trading on a 250k funded account. I would definitely go with bigger contracts. Definitely, absolutely. So I would suggest for myself, because I have a $6,000 drawdown limit on the, so on the 50k I have 2,500 drawdown limit. On the 250k I have 6,000 drawdown limit. So I would say I would be trading on a funded level with, you know, 7, 8, 10 micros, and not minis, because I might want to take partial profits. So 7, 8, maybe 10 micros at least around on a 250k account. It's because of the potential drawdown that I can use. Francis, hey there. So that's my size. But on the evaluation account, I always go super aggressive. I mean, 90% of the time, not always, but 90% of the time, I'm very, very, very aggressive on my evaluation accounts. I do, you know, whichever prop firm you guys are taking, you can do anything you want on the evaluation accounts. I mean, you can trade the news, you can add to the losing trades, you can use bracket orders, whatever you want. You can do anything. Can you take partials on Apex with new rules? Yes, you can. With micros, of course. Yes, of course. Make sure, of course, if you open a trade, you have those many micro contracts. And also don't forget that you can add to your winners. So if you're scaling in to a winner and you're certain about your strategy or take profit level, you can scale into your winning positions, which many traders do. Many traders are scaling in to winning positions. If you are in a sell and there comes another sell and you're winning, you can definitely scale in, add to the position. That's why you can only trade 10 micros on the 100k. Yeah, that's a problem. They said they're working on it. They will be working on it. I hope they will. I really, really, really hope that they are going to work on it, because on a 100k or 150k account, I think you need a little bit more. You need more contracts, more micros. Sorry, you definitely need to use proper risk management. I completely agree with that. I completely agree. So I'm in a trade, by the way. I don't even know where I can show this. So this is the trade I'm in right now. I'm looking for a long, I'm looking for this one to go higher, but only because I have some beautiful buy side liquidity on the 5-minute. I do like these candles here. We can still go and drop down to Asia lows, absolutely possible, but I like this one to sweep liquidity higher first, so that's why I took this trade. This is just an evaluation account. I'm not trading funded on Mondays and Fridays. Only evaluation accounts. I do not trade funded accounts on Mondays and Fridays. Only rare occasions. It has to be an A+++ setup to do it on a funded account. And even if I do it with the smallest risk. Didn't get any notification about this amazing deal extension. I did not too. It's a very good deal. You know, you have the time. You have the time to pass. I mean, the price is cheap. You have the time to pass until the end of the month. News are coming next week as well. So even if you're not making it, you can stack up a few accounts and they will, I mean, the rebuild price is going to be $33, which is still a very good one. And if you pass after that period, you can still go with the monthly payment plan. You know, I have a question. I signed up for 25K kind of Apex. I paid 18 and it's asking me to pay for real-time data. Are you using TradeAwait? Sorry, Alicia, did you subscribe with TradeAwait? I think you did. I think you did subscribe with TradeAwait. Yes. Okay, so that's the problem. I was surprised too, and I apologize in the name of Apex or anything. I do love Apex still. I don't care about these rule changes because it perfectly aligns with myself. But there is one more thing. They are asking for the price of the data from TradeAwait. So yeah, one thing you can do, Alicia, is since you're subscribed to TradeAwait, well, yeah, I'm not sure because I don't use TradeAwait, but maybe you can subscribe to TradingView data, or I mean TradeAwait is fine. I use TradeAwait. Actually, the platform, the TS Trader, is very user friendly. I just didn't know. I mean, yesterday it was a surprise for me as well that they're asking for the data with TradeAwait. And just a reminder, guys, before anyone is bashing Apex, I think it's gonna come to other prop firms too. So don't be surprised if Apex does this as one of the big ones, that other prop firms might be starting to ask for data prices as well. I don't know. Not sure. Very, very user. Yeah, by the way, guys, it's absolutely. Tamimi, good morning. Correct me if I'm wrong. Doesn't TOPSTEP X allow 100 micros on a 100K account? The micro conversion is 1 to 10. So I think they should be. I never use TOPSTEP X, not because I don't like it, but I'm pretty much connected to Rhythmic because of Quantower. But the micro conversion is 1 to 10, so it should be 100 micros. But you don't need 100 micros. If you want to go with 100 micros, go with minis. But you know, you can. I would say that micros, if you're trading micros, you don't really need more than like 20 micros or something like that. That's the maximum. I'm using Quantower, Alicia. I'm using Quantower, so if I purchase a prop firm account, I always choose the Rhythmic connection or Rhythmic as the broker, because Quantower can connect through Rhythmic. So I always go with the Rhythmic account. So I just downloaded Quantower, have the registration, and apply it for the multiple connection feature, which is built in, so I can copy trade between multiple accounts. It's built in. So for example, I have a copy trader bot right now, which is working, but I'm not. This is for flipping. It's a built-in function, but you have to pay for it. The first week is free. If you register, they give you a trial for free for the first week, and after that it's $25 per month. But I think it's worth the price because it's super simple, very, very, very simple to use, very user friendly, super simple. NinjaTrader has Replicanto, I know, but it's more expensive upfront, and it's a little bit more, well, I'm not saying complicated, but if you're connecting multiple prop firms, it could be a little bit complicated. Just get the cheapest sub. It's like 14 to get the data. Yeah. Well, you must have a essential subscription to TradingView, and you have to pay for the CME data. So I'm paying right now $26 or $28 per month because I pay monthly. But if you pay annually, you can get it much more cheaper. Much cheaper. But I pay for the essential, which is the basic subscription plus the data. Okay, if I got 20 accounts to copy trade, do I have to pay 85 times 20 when I pass them? Yes, you have to. Yes, you have to. Yes. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So do calculate those fees as well if you pass those accounts, especially if you're on a monthly plan, you know. So if you don't pass the 250K account, then I would be going with the monthly plan. But, you know, you have to make your own calculations. Yeah. They are making, I mean, let's face it, guys, prop firms not just making real good money on the valuation accounts, but they're making a killing on the activation fee. Because definitely the activation fee is definitely a good business for them. On TOPSTEP it says 10 contracts for 100K combine account. Apex says 14 contracts. Yeah, okay, then now you know. 114 micros. But I think you don't need 140 micros, Samuel. I think it's too much for 100K. It's not useful in my personal opinion, but you know, everybody's different. Is the 90% discount on BULENOX good for the first month? Only no. That's the best one right now with BULENOX. It's lifetime, so 90% lifetime. And the way they did it before, it was only for the first month, but now I checked it because I bought some as well on the checkout page, and it's on my dashboard as well. Everywhere it says recurring month as well, and somebody asked support, and it's lifetime. It's definitely lifetime. It has been confirmed, so it's a very good deal right now. That's why I'm not going to cancel those accounts, because even if I blow them, lifetime $18 for especially end of day account, end of day trailing account is a very good deal. What's the profit target for Apex 250K? I think it's 15,000 or 16,000, something like that. 15K or 16K. No way. Forever account, bro. Hey there, Top G, good to see you. I read somewhere that when you have both subscription on TradingView chart data, that after a month you can cancel your chart sub and only keep your data. Really? Okay, I didn't know that. That's good information. That's absolutely a new one. I didn't know that. I'm gonna ask for it. If you pass those BULENOX 11 accounts, can I activate them all? Yes, you can. Of course you can. Absolutely. Yes, you can activate them, ERP. Press the like button. Yeah, press the like, guys. Support the stream. I want this stream to be the most viewed trading related stream. By the way, guys, I have a little tiny cat, a real live cat, a kitten. It's like a little small cat. We have her since yesterday night, but it's not gonna stay with me. It's going for my mother-in-law's house today. But it's right here. It's right here. I mean, it's not here. It's in the other room, but it's here. Small little cat. So maybe if I put the cat on the stream, I'm gonna be having more likes. That's what I'm saying, right? So if I show the cat, I might be having more likes. How about that? But you have to look it up. Could be, yeah. I'm gonna check that. I'm gonna check that. What's your bias for London session? Yeah, that's a good question. My bias is bullish. I'm looking for, so this is the 5-minute NQ. I'm looking for this one to take out this high. That's why I'm in a buy position right now. I want this to go higher. We have a zone here, which acting as support for now, also like Asia low. And I want this to go higher for the London session. What happens after that, I don't know. But I would like price to reach for this zone up there. My take profit is going to be actually a little bit sooner. 86 is my take profit. If I can get there, it's a very... The risk to reward on this trade is not too good. It's just a 1-to-1, but 86.75 is my take profit level. So right here, still in the 5-minute candles. So only on evaluation account, but that is what I'm aiming for. Thank you, ERP. Thank you so much. Thanks for the support. So now we can keep our 90% on any Apex eval for lifetime. Yeah, you can, but it's going to be 80%. The recurring price of Apex accounts are not 90%, are 80%. Just saying. So the first month only 90% on Apex. The second month and so forth, the lifetime is going to be 80%. I made a mistake by texting it out on the community tab the other day. It's 80% lifetime, but the first month is 90. I'm sorry about that. I apologize. Smart money concept cat. Yeah, go get the cat. Want to see it? All right. You guys want to see the cat? I can bring her in, but she's very, you know, she's anyway. Well, I can get her if you guys want it. Well, I like the 140 micros because you can trade in multiple. Of course, yeah. I mean, that's why I'm saying if you have that kind of trading style, absolutely, absolutely. You have to tag Roaring Kitty game. Yeah, I do. Do I have to pay the data fee per account, or does the data fee cover all 20 accounts if I get them? That, Alicia, is a brand new question and a very, very good question. I think have to ask Apex for that. I have a bad feeling that they might be asking for the data for all the accounts, but you know, you can ask the support. I might going to ask the same question from support too. I might going to ask the same question from support. And 250k eval stays on the same price like 50k. Yeah, it's the 250k evaluation account stays on $33. So the first month is 16 or whatever, $18 for the 250k, and the recurring month are $33 for the 250k. And don't forget, my funded future has the static account back right now, so go check that out. Here it is, with the code $210 for the profit target with 2,500, and the pro $350, but the activation fee is included, so no activation fee. Static drawdown, valid until the end of the month. Go check it out. My code should be working, the static and the static pro as well. Okay. I plan to travel Nigeria to visit for 2 weeks, but just found out TOPSTEP can no longer be traded. Oh, anyone know of a future prop firm that were? Alicia, it depends on your nationality. As far as I know, they're always looking for the trader's nationality. So if you're a Nigerian citizen, or Nigerian, I don't know how to pronounce it. If you're a Nigerian citizen, that might be an issue, but I don't know which country are you a citizen of. So if you're trading from Nigeria, from your computer, it should not be a problem because the account has to be under a citizen's name, which is not. I'm both Nigerian. Okay, then you're fine. I'm 99.9% sure that you're fine because you're also American citizen. You should be having no issue. You can ask the support, but if you have American citizenship as well, then you're perfectly fine, Alicia. I'm sure about that. You can ask support, but I think you will be fine. I think you will be absolutely fine. No issue there. I should be getting the cat, right? If I get the cat, do I get more likes? But I can only bring her in for a minute or two because she's gonna be unhappy. She wants to play outside. You know how it is. Yeah. All right. Just wait a minute. Maybe she wants to take a poop in my hand. She's just 8 weeks old, so small one. All right. Let me get her. Just a second. All right. All right. Here we are. She's the new family member. Jesus Christ. Oh no, did you just farted? I know. I know. I know. Don't worry. All right, girl. All right. Let me show you to the people here. I think she's tired a little bit. All right. So do I get more likes for the stream now? I know. But you just ate. All right already. All right. I know. I'm gonna put you back. All right. I'm gonna put you back to your cradle. No, it's not a cradle actually. Do you have something to say for everyone? Is the Nasdaq gonna go up or down? Tell me something. What do you think? Okay, alright. Alright guys, she wants to go. She wants to go. I'll be right back. Alright. That was the cute moment. I hope my rating's gone up. All right. What is happening? What is happening? We'll be right back after short commercials. Yeah. No, that's it. All right. Now that the stream got even cuter, oh no, I'm in a drawdown. I'm never gonna get through with this. What's happening, by the way? I think we might be heading for the Asia lows. What do you guys think? It's making a new support. Is it resistance zone? Maybe. Who knows? Nothing happening, London session. Yeah. Oh no, the cat is. She's crying. Tom, do you know if I can trade copy Apex and BULENOX at the same time using Apex? I think you can. I never used it, but as far as I know, you can use it. It's for NinjaTrader, right? I think it's for NinjaTrader. Oh man, can you use it for multiple brokerages? Man, I wish I'm not really sure, but I think so. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Just a second. All right, I'm here. Can you trade any prop firm with Apex copier, but not more than one company at the same time? I never used Apex Trade Copier for. I actually never used it, so I don't know for sure. The only thing I know for sure is that Quantower has this feature with the monthly payment plan. My dog loves cats when he can't bit the cat neck. Yeah. So both rhythmic. Okay, then if ERP, if it's both rhythmic, it should be working. So guys, I never used the Apex Trade Copier, but it seems like, you know, you can trade profits more than one, but not more than one company at the same time. Okay, I didn't know that. So if you guys want to copy trade between multiple prop firms, I would suggest to go with Quantower, because it's so simple. The built-in feature is very, very, very simple. Just have to pay the monthly fee. It's $25, and it's super simple to use. It's actually, I think the best with Quantower. It's user-friendly, very simple to install, to set up, so you can have multiple connections, super easy. Built-in trade copier. Replicanto, yeah, Replicanto, yes, Replicanto also can do that. Exactly, Cosmo, I'm sorry. Replicanto also, but I think the upfront cost fee is a little bit higher. You know, if you're planning to trade with multiple accounts for more than a few months, then you might have to buy the license for maybe lifetime license, and you have to buy extra license for the multiple computers or connection. I don't know. I'm not familiar with those details on Replicanto. I know some traders are using it with NinjaTrader, but because I'm pretty much a Quantower trader, I don't know the details. Replicanto is basically the only one which is popular for NinjaTrader. The only thing maybe is that Replicanto has the price is a little bit higher up front if you want to go with that. With Quantower you can still try it the first week. The first week is free. You can use free trade copier for Ninja. Okay, howdy trade. Hey Oracle, hi there. Hi there. They have a free trial version too, but it's a trial version as far as I remember. Use your code. Oracle, you the man. And everybody, ERP2. Thank you, guys. Full fee. Oh, there you go, full fee. Thank you so much for the support, guys. So I didn't know that Apex extended the 250k time. Thank God it's Friday, maybe. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, on Quantower you have 1 week for free. You can try it out. If you don't like the platform, you can still go with NinjaTrader. Simple Trade Copier is named free one. That's it. Simple Trade Copier. There you go, guys. Marco knows it. Full free. All right. Simple Trade Copier, guys. Go search for it. I never heard about it. It's great news. It's good to know that there is one. Simple Trade Copier. Okay. Marco, I'm going to put you to an admin so you can share the link with everyone. Marco, add as administrator. Save. So now you should be able to share the link if you want to. There you go. So if you guys need a free NinjaTrader trade copier, Marco has the link there. Thank you. It's really okay. Oh, right, you convinced me. That's awesome, man. It's very good to know, actually, because we have this question many times. How can it be traded with Ninja? How can people copy trade in NinjaTrader? So a free version is always welcome. Oh, sorry. Go to site. Okay, so this is it. Simple Trade Copier. This is very awesome. Thank you so much, Marco. This looks extremely simple and awesome. Thank you, thank you. Look at this. It looks very easy. Wow. Okay. So that's it. You guys have it. Marco saved the day. Thank you. Actually, I'm gonna save this link as well because that's very useful. I need to go now. József, just a second in Hungarian. Igazad van. Abszolút értem. Egyébként van még egy nagyon-nagyon hangyányi mellékállásom, mert vállalkozóként vagyok itt Magyarországon, vállalkozásban, úgyhogy van egy nagyon pici mellékbevételem. Majd úgyis beszélünk Discordon, szívesen megosztok több infót, de hála Istennek a YouTube és a partnership által tudok annyit keresni, ami segít, hogy főállásba ezt csináljam. És ezt is vállalkozásra könyvelem egyébként. Tehát ami jön jutalék a kódokból, és nagyon segít. Úgyhogy ezt építem fel. Több energiát fogok fektetni a jövőben most már az online dolgokra. Úgyhogy ezeket az időket, most is dolgozunk a háttérben egy-két dolgon. Ja, persze. Szóval dolgozunk a háttérben egy-két dolgon, és hamarosan nagyobb változások jönnek, pozitív változások a Discordon is. Van egy programozó srác, aki nagyon sokat segít, fizetek is neki érte, és hamarosan lesznek aktívabb tartalmak YouTube-on is, Discordon is, úgyhogy én erre fordítok mindent, most teljesen full time. I do use that simple trade copier from NinjaTrader, but can be a bit glitchy and profits are always uneven, so be careful. Okay, then thank you for the info now. Thank you. Yeah, be careful with that copier. I see people having issues with it. Okay, so that's an add-on, so make sure to check on that. Sorry, just a quick message. I think I'm out from this trade. Almost out. Look at that. Oh no, oh no. I think I should be closing down this trade. Are we going for the Asia lows? I think we are. Yeah, I'm closing it down. It's no use to have this one opened up. The Asia lows are down at 64. London Open just happened, so don't forget it, guys. We have London Open. I closed it, but the 30 seconds still has some entries to the downside. I don't know. I don't know if I should be entering or not. What if we go down back to the Asia lows? I think I closed my trade prematurely. Prematurely closed down my trade. Oh man, I messed it up. I messed it up big time. I don't know what to do. A little bit confused here. Should I jump into a short? Basszus! Oh, Peti, Mesa Peti, hey! Nem küldtem linket. De én nem találtalak Instán, vagy nem tudtam neked üzenni. Most megtaláltalak, mert láttam, hogy bekövettél, de nem tudtam rád üzenni. Majd megpróbálom még egyszer. Bocsánat. Sorry. Hát az túlzás, József, hogy meg lehet élni, azért majd mesélek, kiadás az van bőven. Meg adó is. Tehát hiába keresek vele, mit tudom én, 3-4-500 ezer forintot, annak nagyjából 40%-a adó, plusz könyvelés, fenntartás, díjak, stb. Na. Oké, nézem. Hey Dominic! I'm eager to jump into a short. I don't know if I should do it or not. I messed it up actually. I messed it up. Currently at the Asia high, 4-hour CB is hiding for lower prices. How are you? Gonna see what's up. Otherwise, just keep calm, bro. All right. I'm definitely. I was eyeballing with this short. All right, and jumping in. Let's see. I would like to see this go down to actually the 47s. The stop should be somewhere up there. All right, I think I'm doing something bad here. I messed it up. Anyway, it is what it is. I thought that it's gonna try once more these lows. It failed up there, swept liquidity, so I thought we might be going down again. I'm still hoping for that after this move. It should be awesome to see it returning to that zone. But for now, I don't know. draw in the zones in the middle. Yeah, I'm gonna be using it on the 5-minute right now. So we have one more zone, which actually interesting, right here. And if I pull it to the left, also interesting the reaction on this level if we look to the left. So this one could be also a zone here. I took a month off just to reflect. I'm taking a single revenge trade. Dominic, I think that's admirable if you can take a break, you know, and reflect on what happened recently. You know, not many traders can do that actually. Not many traders. Okay. I took okay, so which has blown my account in 5 minutes. In 5, you know, those kind of trades, not even 5 minutes. I've blown funded accounts in 30 seconds. So unfortunately that happens. That happens. I was just $600 from my first payout. Oh Jesus, man. Jesus. That is actually, I know that hurts. I know that could be hurting. I know that could be hurting. That I know can actually hurt. Hold on, I'm still checking here. You have seen my, yeah, I know, Dominic, I know you have made a very, very, very steady growth there, and that's why I know how passionate you are with all this, and that's why I'm saying you should definitely not give up. So and I think what you're doing is really admirable. I messed up while asking the market to go my way. Yeah, I remember long ago I had first payout and needed to get $72 for 250k accounts to get. No way, dude. Francis, come on, man. Are you serious? Jesus. Guys, what I'm gonna do here to cover some of my losses, I just sold 2 micros. Oh, sorry, 3 micros. And that's it. And I'm gonna put this to break even. Francis, that is actually then that's it, Dominic. That's the spirit. No way, don't stop there. Don't stop. Guys, I have to call someone briefly. It's actually the vet. I have to take the cat for the jab, you know. She needs the jab. No answer. It was the most stressful time back there. For I understand. I understand. You're gonna see me back when I buy the laptop. Oh, that's nice, nice, nice. Good, good, Dominic. Very good. Just a second. Just a second. Who broke their laptop now? It is what it is. Deal with it. I mean, everybody has emotions in trading, you know, guys. Similar story. My payout was meant to be for the highest range of gaming lap. Oh no, 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 oh, no! Don't destroy the computers, guys. Michael Trader, hey, just hopped in. What is your trading plan? Hey, Michael. Well, my trading plan is nothing special. I'm not trading the funded accounts, but you know, we did something different today. I was looking for support and resistance zones. I know it's not smart money, but look at this zone right here. I jumped into a short. I suffered a little bit of a loss here because it reversed on this one. Hopefully it will go down and take out the Asia lows. That's the plan. Otherwise, I was hoping to go for the buy side above 688. It seems like we're not going there for now. But I'm hoping to get down into this 48 area. I already took some partials there, but I'm in this short. I'm at break even currently, but we'll see how it goes, right? So I'm just, this is the 30-second chart. Not that it really matters that much. Just to show you guys that I'm currently going for that low. Was left with nothing and with old laptop, which was overheating. Oh no, because high RAM usage. Oh no, I'm gonna go for ZenBook. I heard good about that. I chose was Asus. They say it's a good laptop too. Asus laptops. RTX 470. Oh my god, that's a real gaming laptop there. That's a real gaming laptop. Dave, how you doing? Good to see you. All right. Can you compare TOPSTEP X with Apex and MyFund futures? I'm not really. The only thing, I mean, I'm not trading with TOPSTEP X, not because I hate it, but because I cannot copy trade between multiple prop firms with TOPSTEP X, so that's why I don't use it. Otherwise, at least they solved the issue with the micro conversion, so you can trade 10, 20 micros, I think, as far as I heard on TOPSTEP X. So not just 2 or 3 micros, which is a good thing. Otherwise, what they say is like a mirror of TradingView. So I guess for some people it's good. Again, I trade through Rhythmic with Quanthour, so because I need the trade copier function between multiple prop firms, so that's why I'm not really using TOPSTEP X. Otherwise, they said it has some glitches, but they're working on it. I hope that they will fix it, but I think it's all right. My teacher laptop, which is oh, okay. The fans were going faster. I'm looking for a short opportunity as the price surged. Yes, I was looking for this short too, to sweep Asia low after this drop. My entry is not so good, but at least I took some partials on this one. What do you think about TOPSTEP C? Well, TOPSTEP X is great. TOPSTEP C is all right. No, TOPSTEP X, I think. TOPSTEP X is I think it's a great thing. Definitely TOPSTEP is going to promote TOPSTEP X in all manners. So again, they say it's user friendly. I don't know, but I need the multiple trade copy function, and they don't let you to copy trade between multiple prop firms. So that's it. Desktops have Heiken-Ashi candles. I have no idea. Top G. I guess they should be having it since they replicated everything. They might be having a license from TradingView, because everything they say is just like TradingView. Everything is exactly the same like a TradingView. That's what they said. I don't know. I never used it. I'm in TOPSTEP X, but they might be having a license with them. I don't know. So I guess if they do or similar, then they should be having. Hey, Velvet Lines. Why are you giving the funded? I'm not giving it a break, just to let you guys know I made a few $100s on the funded accounts this week. The recap video is going to be uploaded tonight or by tomorrow morning in my time. So I'm not trading funded on Mondays and Fridays, but I did trade this week, so I'm up, I don't know, almost $1,000 on the funded accounts. So I'm gonna be doing a recap video about that. I was just not sharing it all time on the stream. I was struggling emotionally with trading in the past 2 or 3 weeks, and I'm gonna talk about that. But as I said in the last vlog video, I'm going to be doing the recaps, and I'm going to be showing you the exact account with the balance and how I'm doing. So I'm up. Fortunately, I'm in the green with the funded accounts, but very baby steps, you know, small baby steps. My goal is to take a payout by the end of next month, which is the end of June. And my next bigger goal is to have a month to take out at least $4,000 to $5,000 combined, at least $4,000 or $5,000 payout combined with all the funded accounts. That's one of the goals. For now, the first step to get back to the flow is to get at least one payout from these prop firms, whichever comes first, by the end of June. They said 5 contract on 50K. What do you... 5 contract on 50K? I don't know. For TOPSTEP X, I don't know. I guess that's the maximum you can go with. I think that's the maximum on my funded futures too, but with the 1 to 10 conversion on the starter account. I don't know, TOPSTEP X, how they do it. TOPSTEP X. Good morning, Isham. Ajax, hey there. Paul. Okay, then Paul knows the answer. It has Heikenashi. Thank you, Velvet. Thank you. You have goddamn balls to trade live on a stream. Anyway, thank you, Dominic. Thank you, appreciate it. Last week was tough, guys. It was actually tough. This week was better, but last week was definitely much more tougher than this one. Much tougher. I was having some emotions. Definitely, I was having emotional struggle as well from last week. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna lock in a little bit extra for a commission if it drops. So, you know what? Just to make sure, I'm selling one contract. I sold one. I'm gonna modify this. That's it. The sad thing is that I just made enough to recover my losses, so that's the problem. No. 4,500. Sorry, 4,500. What? 45,000. If you're referring to payout, I'm not sure why. I'm just looking to get 4,500. Sorry, 45. I don't know. Maybe I said something wrong. Just took a short 1 minute. Oh, okay. Unconnected. You didn't change. It's 1870. Oh, sorry. 1870. The BULENOX is 1870. Yeah. How do you deal with switching from low volatility of London to high volatility in New York? I'm sorry, Vayax. I'm just all over the place. I'm watching screens and looking at my phone. How do I deal with it? It's actually hard because, yes, many times London session is like so slow and boring that it's just very, very bad. And so how do I deal with it? I have to sit on my hand most of the time, which is super hard. And I'm trying to hold myself back to push the button, which sometimes is the hardest thing. And trying to convince myself every single day in the New York session when I see the moves happening, especially after the 9:30 open, I have the urge, you know, to push the button. I still do, and I will have it. Professional traders are dealing with the same thing, I guess so, because I heard them say that the feeling never goes away. At the 9:30 open, you want to push the button. You feel the urge. You want to get in. You know, you want to push. And my hardest time in New York session, emotionally, is at the open. Because I want to be in. I want to be in the trade. And it's so hard to sit on my hands at that time. It's so hard. I want to wait for at least the 10 a.m. session or at least 9:45 or something. But I want to get into the move right after the 9:30 open, and emotionally that's very hard to deal with. So TOPSTEP 50k 5-minute contract and 50 okay then yeah 50 micro. Okay, if the NQ makes one more leg up, I would YOLO my 250k account for a short. All right Yax, there you go. Let's have it. When 9:30 open, we want to be liquidity for the market. I don't care. Okay, well, you know, I mean that's I mean, I try to ignore the 9:30 open as much as I can because the FOMO kicks in. Still strong. Oh yes, Michael. Yes, exactly. So the FOMO is a huge thing. Emotionally, I mean, I told you guys many times that I would rather take stop loss much better than having a FOMO. I think the FOMO is much worse than having a stop loss. That's my personal opinion. So guys, I don't want to have FOMO, and at 9:30 it always kicks in, because usually before the market open I try to look for levels, and of course it's not so hard. I you know, you guys do the same. You call out the levels and you see price immediately going there, and the FOMO kicks in, like, oh man, if I would have put the trade here and here, oh man. And it's just a bad feeling. Now repeat, it's saying, I don't want to push it. I am crazy enough to not go with the crowd. Yeah. I don't want to push it. I'm crazy enough not to go with the crowd. Add to losing trade on Apex. Is that prohibited for both combine and funded accounts? On the evaluation or combine accounts, whatever you want to call it, you can do whatever you want on Apex. You can do whatever you want on the evaluation phase. Everything is permitted. I mean, you can do anything. On the funded accounts, you cannot add to a losing position. But if you're in a winning position and if you want to scale in with another position, you can add to your winning position. I know it's interesting, but many traders, for example, scale in to their positions. So if you're in a winning trade, you can add, but not in a drawdown. Yesterday, I did that with a funded account on Apex. It went against me, and I was in with 1 micro. So what I did is I closed the complete trade and I opened the second trade with 2 micros. It's a little bit crazy. It's a little bit crazy. I know. I don't know. They say that they hired like 20 people, and they hired like another 15 people plus software, AI, and every algorithm to check all the accounts. What happens? They forfeit your funded account. You're not going to be banned, but your funded account is going to be disabled or terminated, whatever. But in my personal opinion, I think they still don't have the manpower, the staff, the software, everything to check out even one single micro position added to a position in a drawdown. So I don't think that they're going to enforce it personally, and I know it frustrates a lot of people about Apex right now, but personally I think it's not going to be enforced that much. I think it's just going to go for those kind of traders who are pushing it suddenly with 10 minis or 15 minis or whatever, or they're going to add up to 10, 15 minis. So if you're trading with 2 or 3 micros and you add 1 micro to a trade which is not in a big drawdown, just in a few points, and you add 1 more micro or whatever, I don't think that is going to be taken as a breach, or it's going to be, you know, anything bad. But because obviously if Apex would do that, they would be losing customers. So basically what you have to know, put a stop loss on and don't gamble. That's it. So no, let me say, they recruit 15 people. Yeah, I heard that they already have 20 people and they recruited 15 more. I'm also learning the hard way about trading, only my setups, but I feel you about FOMO. How long are you in the game? I'm trading since 2017. I lost everything until 2022, but I lost it on my own personal account and not prop firms. So since I'm trading seriously, and I take everything much more serious, I mean, I'm started to learn and study and backtest and do everything. It's from 2022, and the first payouts I took was last year, 2023. So I'm still not consistently profitable. I'm still not consistently profitable. That's why my goal is to for this year to get those payouts. on a constant basis. I'm going forward with baby steps on the funded accounts. Baby steps. Just a second. Sorry, just a phone call. Look at this. It was hovering around here. It doesn't really want to go down. It feels like it wants to take me out from this position. Okay. I love scaling. Yeah, I'm also learning hard. Yeah. I didn't speak with them. They know, they said it on a video. They will lose customers. Yeah, they might be losing customers, but that's why it would be interesting to see how they go on. Welcome to the club, Tom. I think is just missing a little thing for me to be profitable. Yeah. Sometimes you really need just one small thing to click in to place to be really profitable, because I know that you guys are here. You guys are passionate about trading, because we all are. That's why we're here. And if you're passionate, you're not going to give up, because I'm not going to give up. You know, at some point, and many other profitable traders said that there's just going to be one click that has to fall in place, one small piece that has to fall in place, and you know, it's going to happen. You know, profitability is going to happen. You get through on that obstacle, which is you, exactly, your emotions. What if I'm on a winning trade, add more, but a minute after the trade goes a drawdown against me? Does that mean I did that? No, that does not. As far as I understood, that is okay. If you add to a winning trade, but it goes against you, that does not mean any. I mean, that's okay. That's fine. President guy. The fact that they want you to put a stop loss and not to do a losing trade tells me a lot of people are not going to be profitable with such conditions. That's definitely true, Alicia. A lot of people are not going to do. But before everybody starts to run to other prop firms, because everybody says, oh, okay, I'm going to TOPSTEP, I'm going to here, I'm going there. I told you guys, market, maybe not next week, not next month, but maybe in a few months, if Apex can do this and makes profits, then other prop firms are going to ask for also data. They're going to add the stop loss rule, the DCA rule, whatever. I would not be surprised. Actually, my funded futures CEO talked about this, but they also have to, you know, watch for their risk levels, cash reserves, and I respect that they are working on that. So instead, like other prop firm CEOs were flexing with Lambos and throwing money up in the air, they are really, hopefully, and I really trust them, trying to put on cash reserves for times like when there are not too many customers or new clients. They want to be in the long run, and I do like that approach from my funded futures, for example. All right, you know what? I'm closing this. Actually, it went okay. So the thing I achieved with this trade, I had a losing trade, and then I managed to get back to the green. So I'm up $6. Yeah, this is awesome. Because I was on the wrong side, but look at it. We got back to the support area right here. Got back to support. That one click is to never ever find yourself over leveraged to the tens in ridiculous entries or any entry at all if you want to be trading consistently. Going Asia, yeah, Asia lows are almost swept, but we got to this zone, as you guys can see it, so quite interesting. Also, we have a confirmation that we have a zone here as well up there. So if I go to the 1 minute, you know, I don't know, you can still go down, swipe the lows at 44, or just return higher. Going Asia, okay. Apex lost me as a customer because, you know, they won't enforce this new policy until they don't want to make a big payout. Too much work and stress to risk not getting paid out. Well, I understand, Chilton, and you have a point there. Again, it depends on how an individual trades, but I understand it. I mean, Apex is one of the oldest and biggest futures prop firms. I think, I mean, I don't have so far any trust issues with them. I do like them. I hope they're not gonna go in a bad route with this one. They provide a cheap upfront cost. They always did, but yes, I understand the frustration. Since I'm trading small, I'm not aiming for, I mean, of course I want to, but I'm not aiming for thousands of dollars per payout. I think this kind of approach should be okay by my end, but I absolutely understand. I absolutely understand you. Do we have support at 640? Yeah, we have Asia lows as well at 44, and below that we have another support area at 36, around that. Before reversing, yeah, I closed it manually just to make sure. Trading is a game of chess. You have to be 10 steps above your ego. Exactly, Top G. They haven't paid me. It shows they paid, but I haven't got any payment I requested on the first. You requested on the first. I'm with BULENOX. I think you should be receiving your payment, Cosmo. Did you raise the support ticket? It should be all right. I never heard anyone that. I mean, if you got approved and the balance got deducted, I mean, the profits got deducted from the balance, everybody got paid so far that I heard of. Maybe you should ask support. I don't know, but ask around. This neuron Apex of not being allowed to average down on losers. A blessing in this guy. Well, I mean, yeah. So everybody has different approach. Almost everybody at one point or another adds to losing trade. Well, you have to remind yourself not to do it, but understandable. Thanks for all you do, Tom. It's not easy live streaming and trading at the same time. I like streaming because, you know what, guys? I like to talk with you guys. I absolutely do like to talk. And actually, I just hope that, I don't know, I would like to push this stream in the New York session too. I usually have much more less viewers in the New York session, but I guess because of the streaming area is pretty much saturated amongst traders, and but I really want to push this channel, and maybe I'll try to do more in the New York sessions. You know, I like to be here talking with you guys. I cannot talk anywhere about trading, absolutely. So Australian keeps my ass in line. I mean, yeah, trading is actually forcing you to use proper risk management. Top G, right? I got approved and the money deducted from my account, and now it shows it was paid, but still nothing. Cosmo, I'm really 100% sure that it could be a banking issue. Sometimes I heard people saying that Apex payout took them for 5 business days, even 7 business days to reach their account. If I would, I mean, it should be on the way. You should be getting it, Cosmo. I really do. I think it should be all right. And I would say that don't give up on Apex so far, because we need these prop firms, guys, and we need them to stay, because if they go down, it would be much harder to trade. But the prop firm industry is, you know, there's a demand for prop firms. That's a clear as, you know, that's clear. That's clear as the blue sky. There is a very strong demand for prop firms, and they are here to stay. And the best ones to stay with is the OGs, and that's it. Anyway, especially you, Viox. Exactly. Trading is forcing us to stop acting like wuss and take responsibility. I like that. I like that thought, Topchi. Yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna go into that, but everybody trades differently, Topchi. I mean, we don't know, so I understand the frustration from Cosmo. Anyway, I'm not gonna go into that. You guys are all ready and all passionate about trading. That's why we are here. So keep it cool, all right? Thank God for prop firms, because God knows I lost a lot of money. Yes, exactly. Actually, I am very grateful for prop firms. And I'm very grateful to be living in this time. So not even, I mean, I would go back to the 80s, of course, if I would have a time machine or whatever. But I'm very grateful that we have everything. We can trade from our homes, from our comfort. We can print money if we apply the skills. How good is that? Tell me another profession, because it's a profession, or even better, tell me another profession that you can be your own boss, print your own paychecks from your comfort of your home. You can be free, like really free. And I think trading is one of the few things in today's world to achieve that. So there you go. Never gamble. My consistency percent is below 25. Nice one, Cosmo. Nice one. It looks like a structure shift. Yeah, on the 1 minute, nothing is happening for now, but it looks like a shift. That's for sure. That's for sure. Again, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and push the like button. Is free to do, helps out the stream. Let's push it, guys. We're getting closer to 2,000 subscribers. I don't know why it's not updating, but we're getting closer to 2,000. It would be awesome to reach that. I'm very grateful for everyone. And yeah, also, if you would like to support, take these codes and stack up with these accounts. Also, the static account, don't forget it, guys. The static My Funded Futures account is back. I think it's the nearest level to transition from a Forex prop firm to futures by jumping in with a static account with My Funded Futures. Go check it out. Do I have it? Yeah, I have it here. $210 per month, no activation fee. I know it's per month, but even if you go with 2 months, you can still go with it. And static accounts are, I mean, some people love it, some people don't like it. If you're coming from Forex prop firms, this is a very good one to try it out. Okay, just saying, you can use the code. Hey, Camille. 1 to 3 NQE minis on 32nd intraday is like a free for all for thousands of dollars Monday. Yeah, Lambo money. Celebrity Watch. Hey there. The greatest trade of all time. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Take Profit Trader still has the 40% off with no activation fee, I think. Yeah, they have it. All right. All right. Decoupling with DXY both pushing higher. This is the London gold pump. There was a pump in gold. Oh, there was. All right. Crude oil also up there. Gold ES is still down. NQ seems like it wants to push it, but still no major structure shift on the 1 minute. Tom, man, on board. Make your stream funnier. Play some Lofi or Gamble. One of these cheap accounts. Do giveaway. Tell us a story or a joke. Oh man, guys, I can do a giveaway. I can do one giveaway, guys. One giveaway, because actually my dollar debit card has a few dollars on it. I can do a cash giveaway right now. Are you guys ready for it? We can do it, but the only way I'm gonna be able to do it is maybe through PayPal or direct debit card transfer or international bank wire. I'm not doing crypto. I'm not gonna do crypto, and it's going to be $20, okay? $20. So on $20 you should be able to buy a BULENOX or an Apex account, or okay, so it's gonna be a BULENOX or an Apex is gonna be a cash prize, and I can only send it by direct debit card or PayPal or international bank wire transfer. These are the three options. So okay. Yeah, Wayox, $20. It's an evaluation account. Why can't you get 70 subs this afternoon? I don't know. Maybe we'll do something. All right. Let me check the Streamlabs dashboard. All right. We're gonna do a raffle, and I'm gonna let you guys know when it starts. Okay. I have to go into this. Oh my god. Let me see. That looks like it. How do I do giveaway? Okay. Edit. Okay. Okay. 50K. Account. Hold on, I'm setting this up. 50K account with Apex or BULENOX. So I'm not gonna do crypto. Only debit card transfer, international bank wire, or PayPal. That's it. Okay, confirm. Advanced. All right. Everybody can have one ticket. Okay, I think I started it. Okay, so just put in exclamation mark ruffle, I think. That's it. That's what you have to do. Ruffle. Just try it, guys. It should be working. It should be working. All right. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. All right. Okay, there you go, guys. We're gonna do it. We're gonna wait for 8 minutes. All right. We're gonna wait until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So by the end of the Silver Bullet hour, we have 10 users already. I'm gonna show it here. 12 users. So there you go. You guys can see it? Okay. So everybody enter. 15 users already. Okay. Everybody can have one ticket. 16 users, exclamation mark ruffle. And we're going to close the entries in less than 8 minutes. We're going to close it in almost 7 minutes. All right. All right. and the winner, whoever wins, I just require the winner to send me a screenshot of your stream, of your YouTube, like your chat that you're really that you can enter. I mean, a screenshot from your chat so I can see that it comes from you. And we're gonna discuss how I'm going to send it in email. All right. So what are you guys doing? Let me see. Once you give piece of cheese, they will run. No. Yeah. So, and also let me say that last time the winner wasn't available to get I mean, I sent it through crypto eventually last time, but if your credit, or sorry, debit card is registered, for example, last time the winner was having the debit card in Pakistan, and MasterCard wasn't able to send it to that country. Anyway, we're gonna figure it out. I'm just saying I don't want to do crypto, because by sending $20, I have to pay $40 or more minimum for the conversion, the sending fee, whatever, and it's much more expensive. So that's it. Anyway, how we're doing? We have 23 entries. Chances are high for everyone, 1 to 23 to win on this one. Almost 5 more minutes to go, and we're gonna be closing the entries. So if you have PayPal, that's cool too. Ba-da-dum-bum, ba-da-dum-bum. This one is going down to Asia lows, I think. Should be sweeping the 44 on NQ, right? So again, the only reason for 20 bucks is that you can buy whatever you want on it, but on 20 bucks you should be able to buy an Apex or BULENOX evaluation account. All right. We still have time. After the giveaway, I might gonna be leaving the stream anyways, because I have to take the cat to the vet. I have to take the kitten to the vet for the jab. She needs a jab, you know. If I win, I buy BULENOX account, and if I get the payout, I give you 500. Cosmo, you don't need to do that. Don't give me money if you achieve that. If you get to the payout, give money to someone who is in the need of money. Okay, promise me that. If Cosmo, if you win and if you get to a payout with BULENOX, I don't send me anything. Just give a little bit of money. You don't have to give 500. Just give a little bit of money at least to someone who is in the need of it, for a homeless or someone who needs money for food or something like that. All right. YX is in need of food. Tom's offering a chance at 250k account. Trading drawdown. Top G is my marketing specialist, actually. Top G is my marketing specialist here, guys. Yeah. I wish I could be doing more. Anyway, I'm working on it. So we're gonna do the regular giveaways. I'm waiting for the programmer to finish something with my new website. It's still working in the background. There's gonna be some updates coming up soon. To put gas in my Lambo. All right. You can literally change your life right now for less than $105 insane times to be trading Wall Street. There you go. There you go. We still have 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'm just gonna pick one winner right now because on my dollar debit card I have actually $26 on my dollar debit card. I have to upload some money for that dollar. I bought everything I could on evaluation accounts, so I have to put some money in there. I have to put some money on that card. Next time we'll do more. All right, maybe for the New York session we can do more. We'll see. I'm not promising. Maybe I upload some money. No promises. Tom's $20 can buy a 250K account, and this is real way to Lambo. It is actually. All right, still time to enter. So. You want this Lambo. All right. We're gonna do this real soon. 20 seconds still if you guys want to enter, and then I'm going to close it. And we're gonna count down and pick the winner. Look, there's that one on 2-person opening several random accounts. Oh no. Anyway, okay, so the raffle is closing right now. We have 25 entries. Giveaway closed. Okay, giveaway is closed. We have 25 users, and let's do the winner. All right, and let's make it less stressful. So let's start this. Let's count down together. Just give me the money. All right, we're gonna count down from 5 to 0 or 1, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna be pushing the button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the winner is JR. Where is JR? Who is JR? Congratulations. Congratulations, JR. Let yourself known. All right. Congratulations for the cash prize. Please, if you're here, send me an email to my email. JR, super great, congratulations. Please send me an email with a screenshot of your chat to my Gmail address, and we will discuss how should I send you the money. This is my email, and congratulations again for winning this prize. You're welcome. Just send me a mail, and I can send it through debit card transfer, international bank wire, or PayPal. The only thing, and send me a screenshot, that I have to leave you guys, and JR, I'm gonna be getting back to you. JR cheated. But I have to take the little kitty to the vet. All right. So you're welcome, JR. just send me the email. You can take your time, because when I shut down the stream, I have to go to the vet because I have a day appointment. But send it to me. We'll discuss it, and I'll be taking care of it. Okay. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Drop the like, subscribe to the stream. I'll be back in the New York session, so I'll be back. And it was a great session. I enjoyed it very much. I love you all. Appreciate all the support from everyone. If you can use my codes to support the stream and to do more giveaways in the future, please do so. And I'll be back in New York session. All right. Love you guys. See you all in New York. All right. Cheers, everyone. And congratulations to the winner again. Cheers.